able to play at the top of the tower, over?
Yeah, mate, we can hear you.
Yeah, can we use the top of tower, over?
Move it.
Yes, mate, top of tower.
Yeah, so the top of tower is in play, you can go on the top of tower. No more than 2 people at a time, please. There's not a lot of room up there.
Unless you're very, very close.
Only you can go on your own. Even so, yeah. Any larger
This
of the
lift only
equations
takes 8 persons.
So we're all
Okay,
now
we're ready to
doing
run,
get
boys.
the
Ready to
tower,
run.
get
I'm ready to watch you
people in
run.
it,
Yeah, same here.
half the tower a little bit. Keep the tower.
Arrow fodder.
This will be a respawn, will be the white box. Just come back and respawn.
I think you need a bigger man.
Just put one hand up and walk back.
Can't get any smaller ones.
All the yellows ready? Yeah.
Ball ready.
Right. Hang on, I got 2 blues in front, over. Oh, he's going. 2, go, 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 go. Go on. Go, go, go. Max, Stella! Stella! Kill them all! Yeah, before we get there.
Oh, I better put the gun on the pew, hadn't I? That's a good idea.
It does help.
Put it on the pew. Yeah.
Go on, he's running. AEG's he's run for.
Power! Get ready for a fight! They ran! That's the difference, they were running! Let's go!
Yep, make a choice.
It's just working. A little bit further than that.
No, how far are they? Use that machine gunner! Next time you get hit, you down weight there, get some of the men.
Cool.
See that barricade between you shooting and the guy living, you should walk back out.
Yeah, I got right in the mud.
Yeah, there it was.
Sure. Right, I wasn't 100% sure I got hit by the thud, but I'll just call it anyway. I wasn't sure I got hit, I thought I heard the thud, but I thought I called it. If in doubt, call it.
Yeah.
I thought I got hit, but I wasn't sure I heard the thud. I wondered if it's me, I just called it anyway.
Mate, best way of being on this side is the best way. Come on. Look out, we can't stick and we can't go.
I'm not going up there, don't touch those boards. Hey! Oh, I've caught it.
If you push them up, you might be able to see over to the left a little bit. Alright, cool. What happened to that? Huh? Luke's somewhere laying down the cane.
Having fun.
It's just carrying that fucking gun. This thing's massive.
On the back of tower. Will do.
Stay low, pull me around this way. It's going straight now.
Yeah.
If you tilt it, it's perfect. And then they're up and down the way there, but I can't quite see them. I can't reach them.
What do you see?
I think they're down sort of through. They're behind that orange barrier there, sort of to the right and in the middle of it. Well, they were. I don't know if they're still there now. But then down the way, to the right of this tree, they're sort of down the way. You can look down here, look. In and around that other barrier. Sort of down there.
How are we doing? Hello.
There.
That didn't sound very healthy. Hello, Pete. Come on, push up.
You're supposed to get shot, James.
Well, I did.
Oh, bugger.
It looks fun.
Does it?
It wasn't.
Is that a teammate through there or enemy? I want to see a hand.
Some beside that side of the bag, green.
Because they were. And there as well.
Yeah.
Watch that, sir.
I was about to pull the trigger then. Because I would have got me this crown jewels.
Hell of a shot.
You were lucky then. I was about to shoot and I would have got you in the crown jewels.